In this short video, we will get to know how to change the Wi-Fi name as shown here on your MacBook, Windows PC, or whatsoever devices you're using. So first, go to Apple setting, system setting, and now go to Wi-Fi, and here you are. So we will be talking about method number one if you are connected with the help of Ethernet cable, and if you are just connected with the Wi-Fi, then the method will be different. Let's say you are connected with the help of a cable directly connected to the MacBook. Then you need to go to Finder, then Application, and in the application, go to Utility, and here you will find AirPort Utility. Double click and open. If it's not here, you can always go to anywhere on your Mac and press Command and Spacebar, and here you can type in the Spotlight search. So once you're here, make sure that you open this one and connect your MacBook with the help of Ethernet cable. Then there will be an option here to change the name manually. So I'm not connected with the help of cable, so what can I do? I need to go back to the setting. By staying on my name, as I'm connected to this Wi-Fi, I can go to Details, scroll down, and here you will see two options. One is your IP address, the other one is router. So in front of router, you will see the router number here. This is also kind of IP. You just right click, select it, and copy. You can also find this one on the back side of your router. It is most probably written there as well. Copy and now go to any browser you use. Now paste it in the search box and you will be here. This is the link of your IP address, and now you need to give passcode. Passcode is also written on the back side of your router. If you don't know, you can also contact your administrator or the internet provider. They will easily give you the passcode of this app, and there is a specific passcode that is universal and you can use it common for all people. Give your passcode and hit enter. Now you are logged in. At the very left side, you can see my internet is having two kinds of connection. One is 2G and the other one is 5G. Here you can see my name. I can change the name of my Wi-Fi here. I can also change the passcode of my Wi-Fi. For 5G, I can also change the name and passcode as well. So this is how you can easily change the Wi-Fi name or the passcode on your Mac or PC or whatsoever devices you're using. If you like this video, then thumbs up. And if there is any question, write in the comment section.